Hi, I'm Kurt Ang.
And I'm Hans Maverick Q.
Hindi ko kinuha yung cellphone. Wait.
Hi, I'm Kurt Ang.
And I'm Hans Maverick Q.
And I'm Gerald Ang. And we are the
Lovers!
Starting
off with Kurt Brian M.
Okay, we have a problem here. In the party, an iced tea container is initially filled with 1 liter of juice with a concentration of 1 gram per ml. And the inflow rate of concentrated iced tea is 10 ml per second of 2 grams per ml concentration. At the same time, there is an outflow rate of 6 ml per second. We aim to find the concentration of the iced tea if the person will drink after 20 seconds. Here on the next figure, we want to visualize on what the problem will look like in the drawing. We make a big container with 1 liter and initial concentration of 1 gram per ml. Then we put an inflow rate of 2 gram per ml at 10 ml per second, and an outflow rate of, we don't know what the concentration is at 6 ml per second.
So after analyzing the question, we are going to use the equation in minus out equals accumulation. So substituting values for the in, we got 10 milliliters per second times 2 grams per ml minus 6 ml per second, which is the outflow rate, over 1000, which is the initial volume of the container, plus 4, which is the difference between the inflow rate and the outflow rate, times time. And multiplying this pooled by the concentration of the outflow equals ds over dt. So we could see that this is a first order linear equation. So we are going to use an integrating factor. The integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral of p dt. P is this, which is 6 ml per second over 1000 plus 40 times s. So substituting the p, we get e raised to integral of 6 over 1000 plus 40 dt. Then simplifying, we'll get 1000 plus 40 raised to 3 halves. Here we got s times v equals integral of q v dt. Q is this, which is 10 ml per second times 2 grams per ml. So substituting s times v, which is 1000 plus 40 times raised to 3 halves, equals integral of 20 times 1000 plus 40 raised to 3 halves dt. So simplifying, we get integrating the right hand side, we get s times 1000 plus 40 raised to 3 halves equals 20 times 1/4, which is the differentiation of 1000 plus 40, raised to 5 halves over 5 halves, which is the power rule. So we got conditions, which is at time 0, we got 1 gram per ml of concentration. Then at time 20, we don't know the concentration yet, so we got to solve it. So substituting the values, we got the answer 378.95 grams of the concentration. So the S total will be 378.95 plus 1000 ml times 1 gram per ml. So the mLs will cancel, so the grams will remain. So S total will be 1378.95 grams.
And now for V total, it can be solved by 1000 plus 40 or 1000 as the initial plus 40 or the accumulated volume. Since T equals to 20, we can solve our final volume to be 1080 ml. To get the concentration, which is what we want, we can get it by dividing the total amount of iced tea over total amount of volume. Since we already have S total and we have V total, we can get a concentration of 1.28 grams per ml.